Spreadsheets, emails, sticky notes. Sound familiar? Tracking IT assets can get chaotic fast, especially when you're flying solo. For this use case, we'll see how managing your company's hardware and software assets can be clean, centralized, and even a little bit automated. Let's continue building on the setup we started earlier with client A and client B. We've already added some basic sessions, credentials, contacts, and a few asset entries. Now we're going to expand our structure to manage a complete asset inventory, including printers, computers, and other hardware. Inside our existing vault, let's create a new top-level folder called Asset Inventory and organize it into 3 subfolders. Right-click inside the vault, click on Add New Entry, then select the folder type, name it Asset Inventory. Then add the subfolders like computers, printers, and other hardware. Now let's move our existing IT asset entries for computers, printers, and other equipment into the right folders. Drag and drop the entries from the client A and client B folders into the appropriate subfolders within Asset Inventory. This keeps your vault organized and lets you manage assets centrally while still keeping client data accessible. Next, we'll attach purchase receipts to each asset and tag them by location. Open a computer entry, go to the Attachments tab, click Add Attachments, and upload a PDF receipt. Then right-click the entry in the navigation pane, click on Edit, then select Tags. From there, add existing tags, remove them, or create new ones on the spot. Add tags such as Client A, Accounting, or a physical location like HQ or Remote Office. This makes it easy to search for purchase info or filter assets by department or site. And here's a bonus tip. Use the documentation section inside the dashboard tab of the entry for quick notes, procedures, or troubleshooting tips. It's perfect for storing internal references right where you manage the asset. RDM3 also includes built-in reports to help track asset life cycles. Let's open the report for expired warranties. Go in the ribbon under the Reports section and click on More Reports. Select the IT Asset Management tab, then select Expired Warranties. This gives you an instant overview of any IT asset entries past their warranty coverage. No scripting required. Now let's create a custom report for a different scenario: managing extra stock or preparing devices for resale. Click on Add New Entry, then go into Macro Script and Tools, then click on Reports Custom. Name it Backstore Computers, and paste in the following script. The script loops through every entry in your vault and checks 3 things. It checks that your hardware is not assigned to a contact, it's identified as a computer using custom field tree, and the status is blank. When those conditions are met, it adds a new row to your report showing the computer's specs, purchase dates, and warranty info. Now go and run the report and view the console output. With your asset inventory organized into categories, linked to contacts and documents, and automated with reports, you now have a streamlined environment that scales across clients. Now try organizing your own devices this way. Tag your entries, attach receipts, and start building reports that gives you real insight fast.